English.
Uh-huh.
I did some little badges.
Uh-huh. Was the meeting in English?
No, this not for English, for English. We are just uh, organizing the data.
Organizing.
They're organizing the data for the meeting that maybe happens in March 18, March
18.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 days.
Yes, in the next week.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
But I had a meeting in English on Wednesday.
Ah.
And yes,
Face to face.
Yes, I had a meeting face to face in Wednesday, and it was really good.
Really?
Yes,
I was in the wrong meeting.
Okay. I said what? It didn't
I don't
come
understand
back.
what is happening. I was
And
in the
I was
meeting of
thinking that you got so embarrassed by the
yes, I was
meeting
in the
and you had
meeting.
bad memories about it. So you didn't
Yes, I
want
was in the
to.
meeting of 3 weeks ago.
Okay. Okay. So I was checking here. Yes, just I got confused. I still don't know the time. That was not, I just kept going. I didn't understand the exact time of the meeting. From 2 to 6, right? From 2 to 6 p.m.
Between 2 and 6 p.m.
Okay. And then, can we keep going with this or not?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, because yeah, we also only have 30 minutes. I have another.
And
Let me
about
show
my
you.
cell phone,
Uh-huh.
I had to change for another one because
How? But the number is the same,
because
right?
the number is the same,
Uh-huh.
but what I did, what I what I
You
did.
bought another one.
Yes, I bought another one, but I
Mhm.
gave my old cell phone.
My, your old cell phone.
Yes,
Okay.
I gave them
As
my old
part of
cell
the
phone.
payment. Part of the
Yes,
payment. Yes. That's a good deal.
and it was with the back screen broken
Uh-huh.
and with the battery, can I say, estufada stuff? No. Yeah, that is what I have, what I don't like. So I really don't know some words.
Yeah, but it's okay. I also don't know some words, but it's okay. You
The
just
battery was
ah,
stuffed,
what's this? I don't know what's this. Maybe
estufada,
yes. Huh?
estufada,
Tava o quê?
estufada,
Stuffed.
stuffed. It is. The back screen was broken.
Stuffed. Yeah, you know,
Stuffed.
you don't.
Is
This
not
is my
it?
opinion, Mateus. My opinion. Don't get bothered about specific words or vocabulary you don't have, because this is normal. Because we rarely use these words. Only if you now, if you move to Salvador and you are in touch with foreigners, I mean native speakers, not just
Yes.
foreigners, but native speakers every day, then you will have the chance to learn these words, specific words like estufada. Yeah,
I
I know. It's all also
yes,
gives me yes, I feel uncomfortable, but it's because I never use. I maybe
yes.
I could go to the
And I find here
translator.
is not this word.
It's not stuffed.
It's
Yes.
swollen, swollen.
Ah, okay. Swallowing. Do you know what swallowing for me is? When you
No,
rub
I don't know.
your fica inchado
Swollen.
quando o seu braço when
Yeah,
you it's swollen
it's swollen.
like
The Latin
this, right?
it is, yeah,
Ah,
swollen.
yes, 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 yes. Swollen. Stuffed is recheio.
Right? Yeah, yes, yes. I think that is it. Is not.
Stuffed chicken, for example.
Yes,
Stuffed with bacon. Bacon.
yes.
Tá? Recheado com bacon. Recheio. Stuffed. Recheio não,
Swollen.
stuffed, recheado. 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 I think so.
And I gave them my old cell phone
Yes.
and I paid the difference to
Uh-huh.
get this new one.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Now I'm
Yes, just the
poor
difference. I think it
right
was
now.
a good deal.
But right now I'm a little bit poor.
Do, and do you like, is this a new one?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Is it,
I'm,
yes, it's better than the other one because the other one you couldn't use. Yes.
but I'm poor now,
Uh-huh.
but with a new phone with battery completely safe
Mm-hmm.
with 100%.
Okay. Okay, I've found two videos. I would like you to just take a look and tell me
Okay.
which one maybe is more interesting. This is about life cycle of oil and gas wells.
Once the surface section of the well is drilled,
Because you mentioned some wells you need
Casing.
to drill new wells because the other wells you have, they are old, and the life cycle of oil and gas
Yes,
wells.
yes, it's true.
Yes.
And just one thing. This
Mhm.
is actually something that the companies they are starting to discover and develop,
Mm.
but because actually what is the run life a well
Of a
of the
well.
well?
Good.
But anybody knows because every well is a different condition because
Mm-hmm.
there's a lot of things that can impact with this life cycle or run life
Mm-hmm.
maybe the casing
Yes.
the casing components, the cement
Uh-huh.
components, the
Uh-huh.
kind of well, if it's an oil
Mm-hmm.
well or gas well, if the kind of fluid that the kind of liquid,
Mm-hmm.
the kind of the water, if is
Uh-huh.
an acid or
Mm-hmm.
basic water can impact in the
The
calculate
life
in
cycle.
the, to calculate the life cycle.
Uh-huh. Okay, to calculate
But
the life
if
cycle.
but if it will but if it's speaking about the integrity of the well,
Mm-hmm.
but
Mm-hmm.
about production is another kind of
Discussion.
calculations. Discussions,
Calculation.
another kind of
Okay.
discussion but
Okay.
that is in two cases. When we
Okay.
speak about production,
Uh-huh.
and we speak about well integrity.
Uh-huh.
But keep going, keep going.
No, I was just showing you this one. The life talks about the life
No, you
cycle. Let me
can
show you just
you
a
can
little
show.
bit so you decide which one we can talk about.
Okay.
Next class. So here it shows the perforation, you see?
Yes.
Uh,
The rugosity of the drilled hole, the
rugosity.
pressure of the flowing hydrocarbons,
Rugosity
H2S,
of.
as well as the economic considerations. Once the
Yes, look, you can see he's speaking about H2S,
Yes.
sulfuric
Sulfuric.
hydrosulfuric acid. I
Uh-huh.
don't know how to say. It's
Yes.
very
He said.
corrosive with some kind of metals.
Ah, okay. Hydrocarbons? No. H2S, sulfuric. Okay. So then this causes damage to the
To the casing.
drilling, to
To
the
the casing.
casing. Ah, okay. And then interferes on the life cycle of
Yes.
the
Go ahead.
well. Ah,
Yes.
okay, okay. Okay, so then it shows the perforation, cement. I think you have already explained this to me. This part I really didn't understand. And he's saying like line logging or lodging.
Yes. Logging.
determine the economic feasibility of the drilled well. The lower wireline logging tools to evaluate
Logging.
the formation and determine the economic feasibility of the drilled well. This is done by log.
Okay. So this is one, we don't have much time, so let me show you the other one.
Yes, but I can speak fastly about this logging.
Yeah. Do I
This
send to
logging.
you? You don't need, right? We just
Yes, you
watch
can send
together.
me.
I send to you. There is
Can you send
another
to me?
one about horizontal drilling, but not
I
what
think
you
that
explained to me.
I think that we can do the same exercise. I can write something about this
Okay.
and correct the mistakes or
Okay, the grammar mistakes, the
the grammar
English,
mistake
right?
about these videos. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Good. And this is about horizontal.
Horizontal wells.
Yes. Here you see
Yes,
the
I can see.
curve. He mentions the curve.
Once
This is called KOP,
Yes.
but I may speak a little bit more about it.
And then this, I think this is interesting, this part.
The fracking. They are
Yes, the
fracking.
fracking, exactly. They do something before.
They are perforating.
a
First
short
stage
distance into the
fracking.
shale formation. The
We
perf
tried
is then
to
pulled
do
out of
it
the hole.
in a well here.
Fracturing. This is a process where water, sand, and had to be fracked.
Yes, this is the
Next,
pumps.
because the shale is tight,
Oh, you see,
the well will have to be fracked. Known
Yes.
as hydraulic fracturing, this is a process
This is
where
in-
water,
here.
the pressure causes the shale to fracture.
You see, I could clearly see the fracking and why they do this. So cracks the shale, right?
Yes.
Cracks the shale. So then the
I can explain.
gas comes out, right?
Yes,
Okay, so
can
I send you
explain about
both
it.
videos.
You can, yes, you can send me
Yes.
the both
And then
videos.
if you don't have time, you choose one and then you explain you write, right?
All
You
right.
type and then you explain, I can correct for you. Okay.
Yes, I know a lot of things about fracking, but
Yes, I know, you know.
we did frack every time here.
Yes, I know. So then I was thinking today, just a last question. No, I ask you next class about the
Okay.
okay. I'm gonna type so I don't forget.
Okay.
Okay. See you.
See you.
Bye bye.